Okay, so in Louisiana, we use hot sauce in a lot of meals. That's pretty obvious. We use spices in everything day to day on chicken, in gumbo, in seafood. It happens all the time. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that hot sauce is used to be fermented. Now, I know that might sound a little strange, but alcohol also is. You can make alcohol out of fruit if you didn't actually want to go buy it from the store. Yes, I know that's weird, but you can do it. So, this right here is bell peppers. Chop it up, mash it up, and you put it in this. You add a little bit of water and some other ingredients. I can't tell you, it's my grandma's recipe. Sorry, but I just can't. But anyway, you let it sit, and once it sits, it makes a homemade hot sauce, unlike the stuff bought in the store. Even though the store stuff is used in the fermenting process, this just tastes a little bit better because this is my grandma's recipe. But anyway, so our project is on fermentation and how fruit does it. You can use it in alcohol, you can use it to make hot sauce and a lot of other things. If you do a little research on it, you can find out a lot.
So there are two types of fermentation. We have ethanol fermentation, which is used in the production of alcoholic beverages, the production of ethanol fuel, and also bread cooking. The other type of fermentation is lactic acid fermentation. This process is used for the productions of things like pickles, kimchi, and yogurt. Ethanol fermentation is basically a biological process in which sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose are converted into cellular energy, producing ethanol and carbon dioxide as byproducts. This is what the chemical formula for alcoholic fermentation looks like. In the first step, the enzyme called invertase bonds between glucose and fructose molecules. Next, each glucose is broken down into two pyruvate molecules. Finally, pyruvate is converted into ethanol and CO2. In lactic acid fermentation, what it is, it's basically a metabolic process in which glucose and six carbon sugars are converted into cellular energy. In the process of this fermentation, glucose is converted into two molecules of pyruvate. Pyruvate is then converted into lactate via the enzyme lactate dehydrogenase.
Okay, so now that y'all know a little bit about fermentation and the process that it takes to do it, you now know that molecules break down and turn into alcohol or organic acids. Once these organic acids or alcohol are made, it can turn many things into different things, such as fruit into actual alcohol, vegetables into hot sauce, milk into cheese. There's a million different possibilities through the process of fermentation. But fermentation is a vital part of everybody's life, and there's a lot of things that you eat and consume throughout your life that have fermentation in it. And I know a lot of people didn't know that, but now you know. And my grandma's recipe takes about a week before you can eat it. So I guess you'll have to come see me in a week.